In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your AWeber signup form HTML embed code. Whether you're setting up your email lists for the first time or looking to refine your process, understanding how to embed signup forms directly onto your website is essential. With AWeber, it's straightforward, and I'll guide you through every step, making sure everything is crystal clear so you can start collecting those valuable email addresses right away. First, you'll need to log into your AWeber account. This is your command center for creating, managing, and optimizing your email campaigns. So logging in is the first step in accessing all these powerful tools. After you've logged in, head over to the Pages and Forms section and then click on Sign Up Forms. This is where you create and organize all your sign-up forms. It's an area filled with options and templates designed to help you engage with your audience effectively. Next, you get to decide whether you want to create a brand new sign-up form or if you'd prefer to open an existing one. If you're starting fresh, AWeber provides intuitive form builders and customizable templates that you can tailor to fit your brand. If you're opening an existing one, perhaps you're updating or optimizing a form that's already in use. In either case, this stage is about ensuring the form meets your specific needs. Once your form is ready and looking exactly how you want it, go ahead and click on Publish. This step is essentially saving all your creative work and getting it ready to be shared with your audience. Sometimes, a prompt will appear asking you how you'd like to install your form. Choose I will install my form. This option will give you control over where and how the form appears on your website. After selecting your installation option, you'll see an option for raw HTML version. Click on it. This is where the magic happens. You'll receive the raw HTML code of your form, which is essential for embedding it on your website. Now, if you prefer the form in its simplest form, without any additional styling, you can uncheck the box labeled Include Beautiful Form Styles. This choice is ideal if you want the form to blend seamlessly with your website's existing design or plan to style it yourself. The next step is crucial. Highlight and copy all of the HTML code provided in the text box. Make sure you've got it all. This code is what links visitors to your AWeber form. Finally, take the copied code and paste it directly into your website's HTML, exactly where you want the sign-up form to appear. Typically, this will be placed between the tags of your web page's HTML. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to grabbing your AWeber sign-up form's HTML embed code. By embedding these forms, you open a direct channel for your audience to connect and subscribe, growing your email lists efficiently. Thank you for watching and happy embedding.